Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's a bit of a different video, as I don't know if you can tell, my voice sounds a bit bad and I have been a bit ill lately, so it's going to be a bit more of a more relaxed video. Today is full-on video, I think, on the computer. I'm going to do one minute Roblox games versus a 5-minute versus 10-minute versus 1 hour games. So let's hop straight into the video, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so to start off with, we're going to do our 1 minute thing. So we're going to do our, I'm going to pick which one to start off with. For the 1 minute one, it starts when we load in. I think we're just going to do the racing one, because we can just put some new cars in and make it simple like that. So gonna get a timer up. I knew it was there somewhere. Okay, so we want a 1 minute timer, and so we've got it in the top corner. So we're going to start the timer in 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so first we're going to remove these cars. So we're going to go into the vehicles category, and we're going to see all. I think we should get a police car into a mix. This also looks quite good. And then we're going to get a Mercedes. And we've just got time for one more car. So then we're going to get, why not a McDonald's car? Surely it won't download a virus into my game. And then we're going to just delete these starter billboards if we've got time. We're 9 seconds on the clock, 7. And we're out of time. So, we're going to not touch it, and now we're going to, we're just going to do a quick racing 1 min game. So then this is saved. I'll just save to Roblox as racing, zooming game 1 minute. And we'll keep that on for VR, and we'll save that. So this is our 1 minute game. So of course all the loading in, saving and stuff doesn't count towards our time limit. So we're just going to wait for this to reload it, and then we are going to click play. First we're going to click save to Roblox again. Then we're going to click play. I'm just going to close that little window up there. Okay, so I'm going to start in this car, and I'm only going to do 1 lap. So the race is starting soon, and don't worry, you won't have to sit here for the entire hour when I'll speed up. So we're gonna drive. Ow. Oh, forgot to move that billboard. And that one. At least this game, the reason I picked this map is because it comes with all the essentials, like all the working checkpoints. And I'm also not great at coding, so it's good that it comes with pre-built ones. So we're just going to stop here. Just down 34 seconds, not bad. So we're going to just stop the experience. And I think that was quite good for a 1 minute playtime. So I'm going to see you, I guess, in the 5 minute one. Okay guys, so it's the 5 minute one. I found out you can't see the timer, so I'll tell you exactly when it starts. This time we're going to go on to, I think it says suburb, I don't know. So we're going to click on this one, and we're going to wait for it to load, and we're going to get in a good starting position. If you've played Roblox, you know this is a very classic map. So we're going to get ready, and we're going to start it in 3, 2, 1. 5 minutes starting now. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this sign. Actually, we're just going to ungroup the sign actually. So we can remove these bits, and at a later date replace it with different images. It's like an empty billboard. So we'll just regroup that so it doesn't all fall apart. So group as model. Okay, then I'm going to on the group. Okay, so we've just wasted about a minute on that. So we're going to get rid of this starter car, and we're going to get a car in the driveway, and we're going to add a script that lets us use shift to run. So we're just going to put that out into the void, and we're going to have a sunless sky and a day and night script, and we're going to put in Maxwell the cat as a joke. We're going to let's make this game fun and let's put in a helicopter. We've just used over half our time. So we're going to put the helipad down with our helicopter. And then maybe McDonald's. Yeah, let's put a McDonald's in. We've got time. So, one sec. Let me just change my rotation to 90. Because I hate it when it's... Oh. I've got to change my rotation. I've got an idea. Let's just delete that. Put a new one in. And then... Okay, so we're just going to ungroup the road. So we can edit this. Then we're going to copy this over. And like that. Then we're just going to check these line up. So yeah, that lines up pretty well, but I am just going to overlap that a bit more. Same with this one, I'm just going to overlap that. And then we're just going to make the line go back to here. Oh, we've got 50 seconds. Then we're going to move the line to here. And then we okay, so I'm going to go into my plugins, and there's this grass thing I use. Shout out to the creator of this. So you click that and it removes the grass from under the stuff, so it doesn't look like that. Seems not to be working though. Come on, quick, we've got 12 seconds. So it should remove all the grass from under here. It's not seem to be working, so it's just lagging. And that is time. Okay. So, due to the lag, I'm going to give myself 3 seconds because that plugin didn't work. I'm just going to change the texture so the grass isn't glitching through. Because let's see how much cleaner that makes it. I'm just painting concrete under it, so there's no grass. Because you don't want to walk into McDonald's and there'd be grass all over the floor. So that'd be a bit weird, you walk into McDonald's and have grass on the floor. And there we go, just going to minimize that again. Make it grass and slightly smaller. We're going to stop and drag. Okay, so now that's done, I'm just going to close the timer, and we're just going to do a quick file save as mins file. File save to roblox as create new game. 5 mins. So we're going to save this. I'm just going to wait for this to finish loading. So we're just going to wait for this to load. This is going to be quite a long video. You probably have already seen how long it is. So we're just going to playtest this now quickly. So I hope I've got get to this one point because it was fun. Okay, so we're gonna have the full experience. So do these work? Believe they do. Come on, let it go. How long's that thing been yellow for? No, okay, I give up. I'm not waiting here. So we've got a petrol station. Ooh, let's get in the car. Because I'm going to spend about 1 more minute reviewing this. So we're going to get in the car, visit Maxwell, and go to McDonald's. But first, petrol station time. blow up. No, they definitely don't blow up. So, no, I got stuck. Using my shift to sprint script that isn't working. So that would be set to fix. Here's Maxwell the cat. And since we can't get the car around the drive-through, looks like we're gonna have to take a helicopter with the man. Hello? Don't know if that works. Maybe you've got to use the arrows? Yeah, it's not working, so just gonna now go into the McDonald's. That's a good thing to take note of. So now I'm going to go into here, because this is McDonald's before and it was a bit glitchy, like all of it didn't work. Some of it did, but so we've got the McDonald's bouncy house, the play area, and the cafe. Ooh, look, slot machine, surprised it's not broken. Phantom, surprised I actually allowed to use that. I really think Roblox and McDonald's should do a collab with everyone of their restaurants. So that's all like that. So that's good. So we're just going to stop the simulation. So that do a clip of it and clips. So see you in the next one. So guys, when I was recording this next thing, the audio on my headphones just broke, so now I'm gonna have to just be doing voiceovers for the rest of the video. And I'm looking into fixing the issue. Okay guys, so in this clip, so I'm picking housing suburb again because this one's going to be more centered around cars and the city. So I'm loading into it right now. And first thing I'm going to do is basically duplicate of last time. I'm going to go and delete the start sign off the billboard. So once it stopped lagging, we're going to go and do that. And we're off. So we're going to start ungrouping the billboard. And once it's ungrouped, we're going to remove both sides of the picture. And then we're going to start grouping it back up. And let's start grouping it. Let's hit Control G. Oh, I think we're missing a couple of bits there. So we're going to go back. And just going to fix that quickly. And then we're going to try and group it a different way. So now we're going to go this way and look up. And hopefully then this will work. It should work. And then we do this. And a bit of that. And we'll group it all up. And now let's go and fiddle around with some cars. So, I'm going to delete this silly starter car first. And we're going to go over here and get some other cars. And then we're going to look for a car with a spawner. Oh, there's a good one. Looks like quite a good build as well. Hello, Chippy Cat. And then we're going to see if these work. Not on that driveway specifically. Maybe let's try at the gas station. Also, they don't really work there as well. Let's go over there to see if we can fix that. So, yeah, don't fit over here. And, oh, whoops, they're wrong group now. So, we're going to go over here. And Oh wait, it's floating above the ground a bit, so we're just going to delete them. Look for some more. We're going to look for some more cars. Oh wait, the base plate's moved a bit. I'm going to have to fix that before we do anything. And so we have to just go back a bit. Oh, these cars look good. Let's spawn them in. And let's just fix all that. And we're just scrolling through here, looking for something interesting. And ooh, an NPC car. Let's put this down. And we'll rotate this. And we'll place, oh, don't want to flip it. And we'll do that. And now let's start the time lapse and let's get into it. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm thinking about deleting the AI car because it wasn't working properly. Then I was trying out some train stuff, but that wasn't working either. So I tried a bit more of that. But I figured out, because 10 minutes wasn't long enough, I just started putting in some random buildings. And yeah, that's mainly it. Then the rest of the stuff I just did. Okay, so here we're about to click play. So I finished this off. I did do one bit accidentally without the time lapse. So we're just going to spawn in quickly here. And slightly laggy when you're loading, but that is expected. Looks like shift to sprint works and the day and night cycle works. So we'll go hop in the car. And yep, we put big skyscraper there. Big empty mansion. Which, yeah, so then this is all the same. So we're going around the corner here, amazing driving. And we put a big mansion through there. Again, amazing driving. And yeah, here's the big mansion. It's kind of pretty. And there I am trying to drive into a playground. And here again is the big house. Is got a working light, but is fully empty sadly. Well, I picked it to be fully empty, so before I create even more track collisions, let's move on to the 1 hour one. And when I get in the car, my hat magically disappears. But let's do the 1 hour one. Okay, so the 1 hour game is done. I didn't put any context in because I wanted to be just surprised, like skipping instead of putting a transfer in. But let's have a look. So this is the game. I'm going to screen record in a sec, but I wanted to show you why there's no transition. Well, this is basically a transition, so bye.